Hi guys, this video is over volume of prisms and cubes, which is what you will be taking your quiz on today. I just wanted to go over a couple things here. First of all, if you look up here at the definition, volume is the amount of space an object occupies. So what's inside of it, how much space that it takes up. And we find volume by taking the length times width times height of an object. Right here, volume equals length times width times height. You'll use this formula for volume for rectangular prisms and also for cubes. So I'm going to look at just a couple examples. I'm going to look at this large one here. So we have the length is 3, the width would be 4, and the height would be 5. So if you look at this, they have little cubes in there representing this. So if we take length times width times height, you would take 3 times 4 times 5, and you would get 60 units, and it's cubed. Volume will always be cubed, 60 units cubed, because you're taking units times units times units. And again, that gives you units cubed. Another way we can look at this is you're essentially, when you multiply length times width, you're essentially finding the area of the base. So 3 times 4 would give you 12. So I know you can't see them, but there would be on this bottom layer here, there would be 12 blocks. And then how many layers are there of those 12 blocks? There would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have your 12 for your bottom times 5, which would give you your 60. So again, that's just another way to look at the volume of a rectangular prism. Again, I'm going to show you the formula. Volume equals length times width times height, or sometimes you may also see this as V equals capital B times H. And capital B stands for area of base. Okay, so there's your volume. Let me show you a couple examples here. So if we look at this, we have our 3 dimensions, length, width, and height. We have 11 meters, 3 meters, and 3 meters. So you would essentially take 11 meters times 3 meters times 3 meters. And when you multiply those 3, you get 99 meters cubed. Again, volume is always units cubed. Take a look here at this one. We have a 6 feet by 6 feet by 8 feet. Length times width times height. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 8 would give you 288 feet cubed. Go over another one here. We have 12.5 centimeters times 1 4/10 centimeters times 1 5/10 centimeters. Again, you have your length, width, and height. You're multiplying those 3 together to get 26 25/100 centimeters cubed. You may, let me see if I have one here, come across a problem that gives you the area for a rectangular prism. I'll make one up for you real quick here. Let's see. So if I know that the volume of a rectangular prism is 24 inches cubed, and I know that the that the length is 2 inches, and I know that the width is 4 inches. I want to know what is the height. Okay, so again, you know the volume is 24 inches cubed. You know the length is 2 inches and the width is 4 inches. What would the height be? Well, to find the volume, you would multiply length times width times height to get this. So if I go ahead and look, 2 times 4 is 8. So I know that the area of the base is 8. So 8 times what number is going to give me 24? You could also look at it in terms of 24 divided by 8 is what number? So that would give us 3. And to check myself, I'm going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So that gives me the volume. Guys, if you have any questions over volume before you take your quiz, please reach out to me, text me, give me a call. Again, my number is 859-474-0173. You can also message me on Schoology, or you can send me an email. Thank you.